Finally, damating na ang hinahintay kong fila para sa sofa namin. Before DIY lang ang sofa cover namin, since this is much affordable. Bumili lang ako ng 2 kilos na tila at binalot ko sa sofa namin. The only problem is laging natatanggal tong part na to. That's why I bought this item. I will put the link on the description box. Medyo malaki lang yung nabili ko, but they have different sizes to choose. So, kung order ko yung smaller size dito ang bilin niyo po. Siyempre ako, re-remedyohan ko na lang. That's why I just cut it into half. Para kasya at hindi makita yung fila. Since it's Shopee 10.15 payday sale. Add to cart na, and check out this. Shopee is treating us with 150 pesos of vouchers, 50% bills cashback, and free shipping with no minimum spend. You can also use my special voucher code 1015 Cayle to get 15% coins cashback. Minimum spend 500 pesos, capped at 80 coins. Valid only on October 15, 2021. Testing. Ayan, kahit hilahinto ni CJ hindi na matatanggal. After.
Oh, ganda na.